let's play a game of Let's Experiment for Dinner. I want to do pork chops, but I'm thinking I want to do huevos ranchero inspired and add eggs and taco shells and probably rice as a side. We're going to see what we come up with. All right, for seasonings, I'm thinking I'm going to start with some avocado oil, add in some garlic salt, just some homemade garlic salt here, carne asada seasoning, jerk seasoning, and then just for a hint of spice, some cayenne pepper. I'm just going to sprinkle this all over these. And I will preheat the oven to 400. And I think I baked some steak yesterday for 30 minutes. So I'm thinking that's probably going to be about what I start with and work from there. I am one who likes to smother my meat in seasoning. So now we've just got to let this bake for, I'm going to just see where we're at after 30 minutes. All right, next I'm going to add some rice to my rice cooker. I'm just doing some white rice. I do about 2 cups to feed our family of 6, a little bit more if we're having a little bit less to go along with it, but usually 2 to 3 cups does the trick. And I'm adding about 4 cups of water. These are turning into scrambled eggs. I don't think, well, maybe, but no. Okay, I don't think I want to give up just yet. All right, nope, never mind. No, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Here's how the first batch of eggs came out. Not bad, not terrible. They're more overdone, or what's the word? I don't know. But I'll probably give the less done ones to my husband and kids, and I actually prefer my eggs well done and burnt to a crisp. So I'm not mad at it. How it turned out, from what I can tell, everything's a little bit spicy, but it looks like it'll be good. Overall, I would say that it turned out okay. Definitely too spicy. Next time I make this, I think I will tone down the spice significantly. Other than that, I didn't mind it. Everybody just kind of tolerated it. Again, the spice needed to be turned down significantly, so hopefully I can tackle that better next time, but I would definitely make this meal again. Anyway, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. And if you would like me to throw in another one of these random cooking videos, let me know. I can definitely do more of these. I am one who does not really know what she's doing in the kitchen, so this is just one of those things that kind of has worked for me. Anyway, hit that subscribe button if you want to stick around, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.